Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Lala. Today, we will review our lesson on Unit 3, Lessons 1 and 2. Things at School. Crayons, crayons, crayons. Book, book, book. Pencil, pencil, pencil. Table, table, table. Chair, chair, chair. Bag, bag, bag. This is letter G, G, G. How do we say it? G, G, G. Here are the vocabulary words. Goat, goat, goat. Grapes, grapes, grapes. This is letter H, H, H. How do we say it? Ha, ha, ha. Here are the vocabulary words. Hat, hat, hat. Heart, heart, heart.